In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watched history on Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. That opens up the main account menu, and from here I'm looking for settings and privacy. Once I see it, I'm clicking on that, and now I'm moving into the next part. From here, I'm clicking activity log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of different actions and activity on the account. So if you've never opened this before, that's totally fine. Just follow along with me. Once the activity log page loads, I'm looking over to the left panel and finding the section called Your Facebook Activity. That's the one I need, so I'm going ahead and clicking it. Now that I'm inside that section, I'm looking through the options until I find videos you've watched. Once I see that, I'm clicking it. This takes me into the part of Facebook that shows my video watch history. So if I've watched different videos over time, this is where that activity is listed. I'm just letting the page load fully, and once it does, now I'm in the right place to clear it. At this point, I'm looking up toward the top right for the option that says Clear Video Watch History. That's the main button I need for this whole process, so as soon as I spot it, I'm clicking it. Facebook will usually ask for confirmation here, just so you don't clear it by accident, and that's completely normal. So when that confirmation box appears, I'm clicking Clear one more time to confirm the action, and that's it. Once I do that, Facebook clears the watched video history from this section. So if you wanted to clean that up and remove the list of videos you've watched, this is the exact path to do it. It's actually pretty simple once you know where Facebook hides the setting, because everything is handled through the activity log. So I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen. I open Facebook, click my profile picture in the top right, click settings and privacy, open activity log, go to your Facebook activity on the left panel, click videos you've watched, then choose clear video watch history at the top right and confirm by clicking clear. Once that final confirmation goes through, the watch history is cleared and you're done. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal, but the wording is usually very close. Just keep following the same path, stay inside activity log, and once you reach videos you've watched, the clear option should be there. Take it one click at a time, and after you confirm it, your Facebook watched history is cleared.